Thanks for joining us tonight, everyone. The fight over gay marriage in Tennessee is likely headed for the Supreme Court.
A ruling today by the Sixth Circuit bucks the trend nationwide and upheld the ban on gay marriage here and in several other states. News Channel 5's Todd Walker has poured over this ruling for us and spoken with people on both sides of the aisle. Todd, the SUPCO has not been willing to get involved in this one so far.
Well, that soon may change, though, because there's finally a clash in opinions between appellate courts, and the Supreme Court has not been willing to get involved until it got to that point. Now, gay marriage supporters, they say this decision does sting, but they say the fight is not over. When the ruling itself came out today, that was a surprise. What was inside?
It didn't come completely out of nowhere.
Not so much.
This is a victory for marriage. It's a victory for the rights of states and the rights of people.
Just before 4 o'clock this afternoon, the Sixth Circuit Court of Appeals released a 64-page opinion on the gay marriage bans in 4 states, including Tennessee. 2 of the 3 judges that ruled said there was nothing unconstitutional about the bans, and it was a job for the people to decide, not the courts. When the courts do not let the people resolve new social issues like this one, they perpetuate the idea that the heroes in these change events are judges and lawyers, wrote Circuit Judge Jeffrey Sutton. Better in this instance, we think, to allow change through the customary political processes in which the people, gay and straight alike, become the heroes of their own stories by meeting each other not as adversaries in a court system, but as fellow citizens seeking to resolve a new social issue in a fair-minded way. The only dissenting judge, Martha Craig Daughtry from Tennessee, blasted that opinion. If we in the judiciary do not have the authority and indeed the responsibility to right fundamental wrongs left excused by a majority of the electorate, our whole intricate constitutional system of checks and balances, as well as the oaths to which we swore, prove to be nothing but shams.
As painful as this is, and I do believe that justice delayed is justice denied, this may help us get to the Supreme Court and get it resolved for the entire country soon.
And that is about the only thing both sides of this debate can agree on.
Well, it's a great victory, although I think everyone has to acknowledge that the decision today by the Sixth Circuit creates a split between the circuits, meaning that the case ultimately will be resolved by the United States Supreme Court.
David Fowler now runs the Family Action Council of Tennessee, but before he was a state senator, which helped sponsor the amendment, which eventually led to marriage in Tennessee being defined as between one man and one woman. There was no timeline on when the Supreme Court could take up this case, but rest assured, attorneys are likely preparing their cases right now. In the newsroom tonight, I'm Todd Walker, News Channel 5 HD.